I gotta be quick with this. Chill, you ain't gonna believe what Dollar Tree is. Chill. Listen, you remember that lip we talked about, we discussed last time? Dollar Tree, my local Dollar Tree, they have it, chill. This lip contour set is like no other. Word to the mother. Okay, $1.25. Now I'm gonna show you it real quick, okay? Because they have a few left. Okay, so I'm gonna get. You seen this? You remember this? You remember I did a video on this? Okay. Now I have the red on. I didn't put the liner on today. But child, if you see this at your Dollar Tree, you want to get one of these ASAP. If you feeling this red, okay? And a lot of my videos, if you guys see like a red, like a matte finish, it is this, okay? This is a still deal like Holyfield. This is the lip contour kit, matte liquid lipstick. And let me tell you something, they went very, very quick. This is a great gift set, all right? Look. Say, you know, let's just visualize, okay? You just went through a breakup, right? And you ain't feeling your best self, okay? And you like, you know what? You know, Dina, you know, I'm listening to your videos, but, you know, I just went through a breakup, okay? And I got this wedding coming up, and I'm going to see my darn ex. Well, honey, don't you want to be styling and profiling, okay? Don't you want to move your feet to the beat, okay? Get you one of these, okay? $1.25. And you gonna show up. Spazzle and dazzle, all right? Now, I'm gonna go ahead and just get two of these, okay? I know I have the red, but honey, I'm gonna just go ahead and get two of these, okay? Let's go. You know I bring the heat that's gonna make you move your feet to the beat. You know we always styling and profiling, okay? Still deals like Holyfield. Don't you be out in them streets taking my slang, okay? Don't you dare take my slang, okay? Now, if you take it, you better give me some credit, child. Check this out. Hey, Dollar Tree, your marketing team is on point. You know what? Because I'm not even in here for nothing. But I had seen this global beauty care set. And I said, you know what? Dollar Tree gonna stop playing with me. Okay. So look, check this out. And they just put this out. They have the cleansing daily face wash, okay? $1.25. So this says for all skin types, fragrance free, not tested on animals, okay? But hold on, child, hold on. Don't rush me, okay? I know some of you guys, you say, you know, I do a lot of talking, okay? My talking makes the video, okay? I'm not gonna just do a video where so I'm quiet. No, I have to open my mouth, okay? All right. Funny story, when I was in school, I remember, you know, my teachers, they were always, not all of them, all right, but some of them, they would write on my report card, talkative, okay? Okay, but listen, now that I am a content creator, I get paid to talk, okay? Okay, you see the ironing in there? I get paid to talk, so listen, okay? Hold your cool. Balancing Toner Mist, $1.25. They also have the Daily Gel Face Lotion, $1.25. So we're going to put 3 of these in our bag, okay? It's the newness for me, boo, okay? The newness. Check this out. So when I tell you, Dollar Tree has, let me tell you, chill, okay? Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle hat and glove set. Barbie, Stitch, Spider-Man, Avengers, $5. Chill, okay? Still, could we say still deal like Holyfield? Could we say that? So I'm gonna go ahead and get my youngest daughter this, and then I'm also going to get my youngest son this, okay? The Avengers. I don't know if he really gonna be into this, because you know he's already 10 years old, and when they come to a certain age, you know they be feeling grown, child, okay? Like this stuff, they don't want it. So but I can't just buy my daughter something and then not get him something. So you know what, I'm gonna just go ahead and get this, okay? The Avengers, because who don't like the Avengers? So listen, Dollar Tree has these 24 count shatter proof ornaments, $5. Now listen, you guys know I'm team green, okay? But look at this blue. Still deal like Holyfield. Honey, styling and profiling. Moving our beat to the feet. Okay, moving our feet to the beat. Ciao. So listen, decorative, treetop bow, ciao, fancy group, fancy, fancy, fancy. Moving our feet to the beat. Look at this, $3, okay? But also they have the black and white. Now, child, I don't know who may need to see this, okay? But honey, we going in style this year with the decorative treetop bow, okay? $3. Now listen, if you're a person like me, at times I don't fold my clothes, okay, when I come from the laundromat, okay? I'm just being real, like Holyfield. They have ironing board with magnets, okay? $5, okay? $5. Do you have an iron gel? I know I do, okay? $5, still do. So Dollar Tree has these wood clothespins that are cheaper here than online. Okay, let me tell you something. 60 pieces, did you hear? 60 pieces, child, for $1.25. Still deal Holyfield. Now listen, you know, now we had seen these a time or two, but some of you guys, you may not know, okay, because I did a video yesterday and some people, they was baffled, okay? You know, by some of the stuff that I had said in the video. So sometimes I'm doing the videos and I'm like, you know what, Dina, maybe you shouldn't put that in there. You know, they seen this. Well, everybody haven't seen this, okay? So Dollar Tree had these heavy duty storage bags, 2 for $1.25. This is the large one. Then they also have the extra large, okay? What about the duster kit, okay? Now, I definitely need to get one of these. I definitely need to, okay? $1.25. Put that in my handy dandy bag. And then what about the eliminator, moisture eliminator? $1.25. Still deal. Now, if you need something to make your hair grow, okay, you guys know I do some affirmations, okay? I'm an affirmation type of gal, all right? So they have this pro growth oil right here. There is $1.25. Now let me tell you something. Let me just tell you. When you go to the stores, okay, the beauty supply store, you're not gonna get this for no $1.25. You're not gonna get this castor oil for no $1.25, okay? But Dollar Tree is the place to be. Now listen, these Guru Nadas, now you guys know this went viral on TikTok, okay? Guru Nada is everywhere, okay? Honey, TJ Maxx, Walmart, everywhere. And they have this fold. It's so funny because my oldest son, he asked me, he said, Dollar Tree sells the folding toothbrush. I had one. And I said, well, just that one, right? But honey, now they got it, okay? $1.25. So we gonna get about 2 of these. Right, listen. you know, listen, let me just post off, okay? You know I bring the heat that's gonna have you move your feet. You know that, right? And if you are new to my channel, my name is Dina Bryan, okay? Honey, you want to make sure your notifications are on because it's gonna be you missing out, not us, all right? Check this out. Dollar Tree has this new, okay, calming nighttime facial cleanser, okay? Check this out, all right? Calming nighttime recovery facial serum. Nighttime eye cream. Child, and you know what it is for me? Is the lavender. The lavender is what's calling me. Look. The nighttime skin cream, Dollar Tree is doing the big one, okay? Dollar Tree said, listen, we ain't playing with you folks no more, okay? You know, we ain't playing with you folks, all right? It's either you rocking with us or you're not, okay? Still deal like Holyfield. Now, I'm going to keep on reminding you guys, listen, Dollar Tree has this hydrating skincare collection compared to Neutrogena. Not as pricey as Neutrogena, okay? Hydro Boost, okay? Listen, this is the hydrating gel cream, and as you can see, honey, people are moving their feet to the beat. all right? Hydrating hand gel cream. And they had one more. They had the wipes. Oh, but I guess they added a wipe shell. Yeah, they added those wipes, honey. Somebody was moving their feet to the beat real quick. Okay, so my grandbaby, I like to say G baby. Okay, she's at the house right now, and I'm gonna get her a few of these Barbies. Okay, listen, you ain't gotta go, go broke. Okay, listen, these Barbies are $1.25. Okay, still deal. They gonna do the same exact thing as the other Barbies. All right, so we gonna get a few of these. Let's get about 3. Okay, so I'm gonna get her that one. I'm gonna also get her this one. And I'm trying to see, I like the afro. Okay, the afro puff. All right, now I don't see no afros. And then not that one. Okay, maybe we could do this one. Hold on, child. But a different packaging. Let's see. I guess we could do this one. Yeah, we could do this one. Okay, so Dollar Tree still has more of this stuff right here. All right, no, child. I said I'm going to TJ Maxx. No, I'm not getting this, but just in case, if you wanted to know. Okay, Dollar Tree had, you know what, let me just this, okay, because this one is very pigmented, all right, and I'm gonna just go with the glitter shadow, all right, $1.25. They also have the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna do a demo most likely tonight for you guys, okay, because a few of you guys, somebody wanted to know, how I got that look I got yesterday going on with myself, okay, all right, $1.25 mascara. It comes, and they have the pink, and they also have the purple. They also have the duo winged eyeliner stamp. Me personally, I definitely prefer to have that in black, but they also have the pump it up, okay? And I believe I got this color, the pink sesame, all right? And this is what they had. I also had brought this one, the blush, the coral pink, I believe. I should have really got the dusty rose to see how that do. Ooh, the dusty rose sounds good, child. All right, honey, let's go to checkout. All right, family, our total is $30.50. Thank you. Have a nice day. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.